Hello, do you know the addition number bonds for the number 18? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So, number 18, quite a big number. And what we're doing is we're trying to work out what numbers added together equal 18. So I know one off by heart. I know 9 plus 9, that equals 18. That's my favourite way of doing it, okay? And that one equals 18, so that's a great number bond. What about this one? 10 plus 8. Does that equal 18? Let's give you a second. Well done, it does. So that's another way of doing it. But what about this way? 11 plus 7. Is that a way to count as 18? Let's try. Yes, well done. So that's another number bond for 18. Use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!